Today I'm going to be installing this dash cam into one of our cars. It was sent to us in exchange for this review. Now I am going to be hardwiring this in, so to do that I'm using this optional hardwire kit. This kit does not come with the camera, so if you're going to hardwire it, you're going to need this extra accessory kit so you can hardwire it in. But if you're not hardwiring it, it's got everything you need right here in the box for you to be able to hook this thing up and run it. So let's get it out of the box, see what it comes with, and then get this thing installed. So this is everything that comes in the box. It comes with a screwdriver, a little install tool so you can push the wires up in the little railings of your car on the inside by the headliner. It comes with an SD card, USB charger, the USB cables, rear camera, front camera with all the main logic, a manual. This is a cleaning cloth. Comes with the stickies you need to adhere this to your vehicle, even these little stickies here. I mean, it's got everything that you would need to install this dash cam in your car. Like I said, if you want to hardwire it, like I'm going to be doing it, you do need to get the additional hardwire kit. But if you're not going to hardwire it, which means run it into like your fuse box and have it where it's always connected to your car, you can use these cables and this USB charger and everything here to run this camera normally. All right, so let me get this thing out in the car and we're going to get it installed. So I've got the hardwire kit installed now in the fuse box that's accessible right here. Again, the hardwire kit you need to purchase separately if you want to hardwire it. If you don't want to hardwire it, you're good, but if you do want to hardwire it, this is part of the kit. But if you do want to hardwire it, this is what I've got to do to get it hardwired. And I went in, used a multimeter to figure out what was accessory versus constant, got all that in, found a ground bolt. Now I'm going to get it tucked in and get the camera mounted. All right, so I've got the camera installed now. I've got the hardwire kit in. I've got the rear camera. This is the rear camera you're looking at right now. This rear camera is 1080p and the front camera is 4K. So very nice, crisp images. You easily be able to see what's going on ahead of you and behind you with clear detail. It does have a nice high quality Sony sensor in it, so you're going to get nice crisp images forward and behind you. It also has voice control, which is really cool. There's tons of awesome settings that you can do in here. One thing that I really think is cool, and probably the reason they call it the smart camera, is because you can turn on
Recording stopped.
some of these really cool system features. I mean, there's all kinds of cool features in this thing. So one of the really cool features is this smart ADS. You could turn on all kinds of features like forward collision, front vehicle starts, lane departure, pedestrian collision. I mean, that's pretty cool features that are just there built into a dash cam. It does come with a 64 gig memory card already with the camera. You can always add a larger one if you want, but we're sticking with the 64 for now. If you have it hardwired, you can record even when the vehicle's off. You can do like time lapse. There's sensitivity with that G sensor. So if someone messes with your car when it's parked, the camera should be able to kick on and record what's going on. I have it set on time lapse right now. So really when the car's turned off, it's just always recording. Another one of the really cool features this camera has is full color night vision. So I'm going to take some footage of this while I'm driving during the day and at night so we can check out the video quality that it's recording. But just a really cool camera in a small package. I love the front and rear. I love the video quality on it. And I hope all of this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.